Okay, so I don't know if this is gonna be like a really good video, but it's just gonna be a before and after. I'm gonna install the 271 prototype exhaust by 271. Not today, but it's gonna come today. Probably a jump cut later, but I'm gonna take a look underneath, see if I can see anything. My car's pretty low, but so yeah, if I look down, this is the Civic Sport hatchback. I can't see anything. That huge resonator right there is probably not gonna be there anymore after the upgrade. Alright, let's take a look in the back. Take a look. You see here, we've got a dual exhaust setup. Dual muffler is what that's what the Sport has. See, it's got this weird branch off, is what, I don't know what else to call it. Here, let's open up the tripod. Okay, so basically, here. So basically, what we're looking at, it cuts off into two right there. Then it goes into these two, those two, and instead of coming out the back, it actually comes back out this way. So it basically does a 180 once it goes in here. Then it comes back, does another 180, so we're looking at a whole 360 degrees. And then it comes out the middle, and that's times 2 because there's one on each side. But like, that's basically thing. And then we got the resonator back there. You can see it. I'll point to it. This is the before shot. Okay, forgive the hairstyle. Okay, I just woke up. But so I finally put in the new system. Let's turn this light on. Alright, look at that. It's totally ready. And for those of you, because I didn't tell you, for everyone I should say, I put in the front pipe too, so that's the down pipe, kind of like your, what do you call it? But I put the down pipe in too. That's right there, not too shabby. I'm gonna get everything buttoned up and I'm gonna get everything buttoned up.